In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a canceled order while giving the customer back a partial refund. A canceled order is only good when the transaction is still pending. If the transaction has already been complete, then you'd need to do a return. For special order number 362, we see that is still pending for Ansley. On July 28th, she made a $500 payment. And let's say we want to refund her $200. The way you can do that is to come to the amount and put a negative 200. Once you see the parentheses around the amount, that means that's an amount you're going to give back to the customer. Select your method and your date and your associate. Then you would go ahead and choose Process Credit Card and swipe the customer's card. I don't have a terminal set up with my test account, so I'm going to go ahead and click Add Payment, which is what you would do if you did not use one of our integrated processors. Alright, so now we've given back $200 to the customer, but we need to do some things to the rest of the transaction. First, we'll want to delete the item from the transaction. You can do that by going to Action and hit Delete from Special Order. This will completely remove the item from the transaction. Next, we need to add a canceled item. If you already have a canceled item in your inventory, you can simply type the item in your search bar. If you don't, then you can use the plus sign to quick add an item to your inventory. Your item name can be canceled item. Department, you're going to want to change that to fees and extra charges. The vendor should be a vendor name by your store name. Item type would be non-inventory and no tax. The rest of the information on the Add Item screen can stay the same. Then we'll save and add to special order. Alright, so now you'll see we have our amount due equals 300 with the parentheses, which means we're owing the bride $300. So to make this where we can complete the transaction, we need to change this adjusted price to exactly what matches that amount due. I'm adding mine to $300. And now you'll see our amount due is 0. Now we can add some notes and complete our special order.